Hydrate is a skin moisturiser formulated with tri- and tetrapeptide technology and squalene. Hydrate is a soft, lightweight formulation with high absorbency. Tri- and tetrapeptide technology in Hydrate combines different peptides which act together to stimulate collagen production in the skin. Some of the key ingredients are squalene, jojoba oil, green tea and pomegranate extract. The key benefits: stimulates collagen production, it softens and firms the skin and also hydrates and soothes the skin. Dispense 1 pump of Hydrate and gently massage into face and neck morning and evening after cleansing. Hydrate has been dermatologically and clinically tested and formulated to suit all skin types.